Tell me something shocking about smart people. Why do smart people often stay poor? Even educated people struggle a lot in life. Today, we talk about this shocking topic. Watch this video. Your future may change. There are many smart people in the world, but very few of them become rich. Do you know why this happens? I always thought smart people should go ahead, but the reality is completely different, buddy. Today, we will learn 5 real reasons. These reasons can change your life. What is the first reason, buddy? Smart people think too much and do less, meaning they overthink everything. Yes, they keep looking for the perfect plan and they never take actions. Waiting for the perfect plan wastes all time. Give me one real example, buddy. A guy wanted to open a business for 3 years. Then what happened? He just kept making plans. He never started. Buddy, this is very wrong. Done is better than perfect. This is truth. Tell me one shocking fact on this topic. Research says 70% smart students stay middle class. Wow, that is way too many people. IQ and bank balance have no real connection, meaning education and wealth are separate things, completely separate. Rich people know different things. What is the second reason, buddy? Smart people depend only on their salary, meaning only one income source. Job is good, but only job is not enough. Then what should one do? One should build multiple income sources. Like what? Give me one example. Job plus freelancing, investment, or a small business. But where is the time, buddy? Rich people find time. They do not give excuses. Tell me one myth versus reality, buddy. Myth. Hard work always brings wealth. Everyone says this. What is the reality? Reality is smart work and system bring wealth. What does system mean exactly? Work that keeps working even without you. Tell me the third reason now. Smart people save money but do not invest. Saving is good, right, buddy? Only saving is not enough. Put money to work, meaning investment is necessary. Yes, money kept in bank loses value slowly. How does that happen? Inflation reduces the value of money every year. Then where should one invest? Stocks, mutual funds, or any growing asset? Tell me, is staying poor actually a choice? This sounds harsh to hear, but yes. Meaning our mindset decides our future? Absolutely. Rich people think differently. This is true. So we can also change our thinking. Yes, and this is the most important point today. What is the fourth reason? Smart people spend time with the wrong people. Meaning environment really matters very much. You become like those around you. Buddy, this is true. I have felt this. Your income matches the average of your five friends. Such a big impact from just five people. Yes, so learn to stay around successful people. One question. Are smart people more fearful? Yes, buddy. Smart people are very afraid of risk because they think too much about consequences. Exactly. They think more about losing than winning. And what do rich people do differently? Rich people take calculated risk. They do not fear. Tell me the fifth and last reason. Smart people forget to invest in themselves, meaning they do not improve their skills. Yes, they just stop learning after their degree. And what do rich people do? Rich people learn something new every single day. Which books are most helpful to start? Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Atomic Habits. Start there. So, buddy, what are today's takeaways? First, take action. Do not wait for perfect. Done is better than perfect. Always remember this. Second, do not stop at only one income. Start building multiple income sources today itself. Third, save money and also invest wisely. Let your money work, not only you. Fourth, choose your circle very carefully. You become like those you spend time with. Fifth, invest in yourself. Learn every day. One book, one skill. This is the real difference. Buddy, one last thing. IQ does not bring wealth. Then what actually brings wealth? Right thinking, right action, and right people. This is actually very simple to understand. Simple, yes, but not easy. Know the difference. Change one thing in your life from today. One small change can change your whole life. So, friends, be smart and also be rich. Both can happen together. Just change your thinking. If this video helped you, then please share it. Tell us in comments what will you change today. We read every single comment you write. See you in the next video. Keep learning.